happy this morning to accept that challenge. And once I did start to think about it, I got the necessary reverence. It's the riskiest decision I have had to make yet. But your proposal I accepted in relation to power. And power is important as well, because there is this struggle in our country. That's why I pay a lot of respect to Ngeke, to diversify the media.
I present to you the new host of Power Talk, effective the 3rd of March 2025, Dr. Mbuyiseni Ndlozi. Dr. Ndlozi, thank you so much, my brother, for honoring your people, for accepting this challenge. I can tell you that there are people ululating that instead of hearing you once a week, Kasona or Haupala Azania, every morning at 9 o'clock, as of the 3rd of March, they shall be exchanging debate or conversations with you, and power people will challenge you, and they'll love you, and you'll love them. They will teach you.
So-called intelligence report, which was based on lies. But secondly, I took a decision that reading the general attitude of the leadership post-conference this year, that there's no chance that I'm going to get the right of reply in the most or in the same formal way of the charges, the accusations that I'm a betrayer, I've been disloyal, and I'm a double agent. I will not get the same opportunity to defend and clear my name. And I have said, and I will repeat here, these are political differences. They've characterized in most of the histories of movements that are evolving. I have no doubt in my heart, putting myself in the shoes of the leadership, that perhaps they did think that they are acting in the best interest of protecting the movement. I totally disagree with the way they dealt with me, but I have no doubt that even post that particular dealing with me, my hope is that they would still be committed to the mission of economic emancipation and economic freedom in our lifetime. And as you know, chairman of MSG Group, wow, you made some advances that have, at first, I mean, not just first, maybe
Shall
several
we pause
times.
there maybe for a second?
Yeah, okay.
Let's pause it for a second. So,